Welcome to the Defiance College Pilgrim Library's Advanced eBook tutorial. It assumes you have already viewed the Basics eBooks tutorial. This advanced one will demonstrate where to find and how to navigate eBooks available to Defiance College students, faculty, and staff on publishers' websites outside of the EBSCO databases covered in the Basic tutorial. From the Pilgrim Library's homepage, library.defiance.edu, click on the DC Catalog tab and then choose Advanced Search. Our Opal online catalog is displayed. Opal is the private college consortium we belong to and share a catalog with. If you are accessing this from off-campus, make sure you click on Limit Your Search and then select the location of Defiance. If you skipped this step, you might retrieve ebooks that another Opal library has paid for, which Defiance has not, and you would be denied access. Now we'll do a keyword search on adults with autism. If you look at these icons on the left, you'll see that we found other things besides ebooks, like videos and print books. For this demo, we'll look at the 10th one, Adolescents and Adults with Autism Spectrum Disorders. To access it, we would click here where it says View Online. Before I do that, I need to say that I'm recording this from on campus, and so I can't show you what would happen at this point if you were trying this from off campus. So I'll describe it. If you clicked View Online while you were at home or using a mobile device, the publisher's database could not tell from your IP address that you are a student at a college that has paid for access to their database. So when you ask for access from off campus, you will get a screen asking you to select which college or university you are registered at. You'd select Defiance from the list, and the next screen will ask you for your name and your barcode. The barcode is the one printed on your Defiance College ID card, the one you use to check into study tables or scan in the cafeteria. It is 80 plus your student number. Once you enter that information, you will have 2 hours to view the ebook. You can log in again after 2 hours are up. Now I'll click on View Online. We are taken to Springer's website page for this book. You have the option to download the book here, or you can view it now by clicking on a chapter title. Let's click on this Families of Adults with Autism Spectrum Disorders. You can then scroll down and begin reading the chapter. And you are given an option to download this chapter as a PDF. Now let's go back to the catalog for a different example. I'll click on the library's homepage again, choose DC Catalog, and Advanced Search options again. This time we'll limit the search to ebooks only. In this Material Type drop-down box menu, select the option for ebook. Then do a keyword search on invasive species. Now everything we retrieved is an ebook, as you can see from the icons. And let's look at number 9, Invasive Species in a Globalized World. We'll click on View Online. That takes us to the Chicago Scholarship Online page for this book. You can scroll down and click on the chapter you want to view. We'll click on Chapter 3, A Tale of Two Squirrels. We can start scrolling to read the chapter, or click here to view a PDF of the chapter. Now we'll click on the back button to return to the main page for the book. Next, let's look to see if the book has anything on one particular case of invasive species. In this Search Within Book box, let's search on cane toads. that brings up sections of the book that mention the toads. We'll click on the first one. There is an icon at the top here that would let you print, but it might be a good idea to at least skim the chapter and make sure it has what you want first. There are additional ebooks your tuition pays for access to. We have created a research guide for this. From the library's homepage, click on the Research Guides tab and then select Ebook Access for Defiance College and click on Go. The research guide lays out the different publishers' ebook descriptions and provides links if you want to look at a particular collection. One of these may be of particular interest. Scroll down to the bottom left and click on Electronic Book Center. OhioLink launched this new platform at the end of 2020. You can browse ebooks by selecting one of the icons. Let's click on Health and Fitness. And then we'll click on Details of the book on carpet monsters. You can read this description to see if the book is really what you wanted or not, and then click on Read This, and it will bring up the book and you can start reading it. Please contact a librarian if you need more help. From the library's homepage, click on Library Links and then Staff Contact, and use the information here to contact a librarian for help. Thank you for viewing our advanced ebook tutorial.